dropped the camera and I caught it. Yeah. And this is my brother. He's being weird. And we're riding on our little boardy thingy. And he wrote that, which actually says that. And you can see the little red light. It's so cute. Okay. And here. Dropped it again, my bad. Well, I'm putting the cap back onto. Now, my cat, or actually it's my sister's cat, her name's Tabitha. She's so pregnant, and I might be able to get her. Maybe. Let's go outside. There she is. Let's look at her. She's so huge. Come here. Come here. Tabitha. Come on. Show the world your beautiful fatness. See, she's like huge. Due like any day. Lay down. Lay down. Okay, well, she won't lay down. But she's so huge. And she's just a baby. And now she's having babies. The baby's having babies. Just look at her. I mean, she's so big. I'll do another video whenever she has the kittens. But right now, we're just like, she's so big. Tabitha, baby. Hayden, you don't write on Etch-a-Sketch.
You can.
No, you don't.
You Etch-a-Sketch on Etch-a-Sketch.
Yeah, with the little knobby thingies, not with the dry erase marker. You're so weird. Say bye. Say bye. Bye. Okay.